itong focus ng Defense Counsel and some of the senator judges on the credibility of Las Cañas, parang tinatanggap nila na yung content, so there were 3 excerpts, no, that were marked, no, somehow might still be accepted by the other senator judges or by the public, no, as credible, as authentic. So they were hammering away at it. Can you give us your take on that?
Yeah. Again, impeachment trial, so parang medyo sensitive both sides na parang, okay, technically this might not be acceptable in court, but it's important na malabas ko to out there para marinig ng publiko and judges. To be fair, both sides have been doing that kasi the prosecution has this affidavit, defense also has those several exhibits na fina-flash nila on screen. Medyo mahirap naman sundan yun, di ba? So both of them are using these devices. Okay. Now, I think tama din naman na parang some senator judges would like to put this into context na, okay, this is actually not notarized, this had to be checked with the affiant himself. Those are legitimate points naman din. Now, whether or not they are legally enough to exclude the evidence for the purpose by which it is being offered, sorry for being technical, but that's up for the senator judges individually to appreciate. Kasi parang may pagkahalong jury approach to eh. Now, on the part naman yung nabanggit pati yung previous investigations ng committee ni Senator Lacson, parang at that point medyo I did recall saying na parang, you know, it's very hard to be on the defense for this article kasi the words were spoken to millions of Filipinos. So, ang hirap i-defend itong kaso. So, they're making the most out of it. Case in point, when they said something about what Senator Lacson may have said or not, that was a high-risk question. Alright?
Because he was right there.
He was right there. So parang yun yung equivalent during yung oral arguments namin sa Supreme Court. Pag nag-oral arguments, yung magtatanong ka or sasagot ka, tapos isa sa mga justices nasa harapan mo, immediately biglang magsasalita yan, I never said that. Gaganon yun. Delikado yun. And which actually played out. But then again, we have to give the defense some space because they are dealing with a very difficult set of facts here. Right. So expect them to take these risks naman din talaga because it's a very difficult case to try.
But as a lawyer, can you walk us through the process for measuring or evaluating the testimony of a person who's changed his mind? Paano ba yun?
Well, ganito yan. Ang context talaga ng Las Cañas affidavit is that tinanong yung director, yung witness, which is the NBI Matibag, ano ba yung mga tiningnan ninyo? O kasi parang ang context is parang, ano to, basta nyo na lang investigate o meron kayong tingnan. Kaya lumabas yung 5 factors. Sa pagkikwento niya, isa yung Las Cañas affidavit sa tiningnan nila as open source, ganon. So, yung tawagin na lang nating dokumento na yan, yung affidavit na yan, is not being offered as proof na totoo yung laman yan, but more of proof na hindi naman kami basta-basta gumalaw. Meron kami mga tiningnan. And isa ito sa mga bagay na tiningnan namin. Whether na totoo yan o hindi, kung tumingin kami online, kung tumingin kami Google, kung kinuwento nung witness ni NBI Matibag, kung ano yung mga tiningnan nila. Isa sa mga tiningnan niya nga is the Las Cañas affidavit. Yun lang yung weight nun. Walang weight so far in terms of totoo ba yung sinasabi na affidavit na yon. May weight lang yon in terms of may mga tiningnan ka ba? Mga ebidensya?
Parang source.
So ano yung mga sources na yan? Ito, yung advertisement sa Google, nag-YouTube kami, may tiningnan kami yung mga ganito. And the Las Cañas affidavit. Parang linista niya lang. So hanggang dun lang siya.
Pero the fact that the defense counsel alleged that Matibag had committed perjury. Las Cañas had committed perjury before. Parang naninigurado sila na parang don't believe this. You're not supposed to give it any weight. Parang ganon, ano?
Yes, totoo 'yun kasi parang naman pag if a witness was actually charged with perjury because of what that witness said in affidavit, then that really debunks any whatever little evidentiary weight that document has.
Okay.
Except that, then again, the high-risk strategy played out today. Tumayo si Senator Lacson, and sinabi siya na, well, I didn't say that. So, na-correct din. So, parang, again, ang hirap ng trial na to. Oo, mahirap yung trial.